Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to change the world size of your Terraria server. Of course, the first thing you'll need to do is connect to your Pine hosting game panel. And once you're there, you'll need to head over to your startup tab. In your startup tab, you'll need to look out for the field that mentions world size. And then you'll need to click on this drop-down menu, which will have all available sizes you can choose from: small, medium, and large. We're gonna go for medium in this case. And once you've selected it, the next thing you'll need to do is head over to your files tab. Once you're here, you're gonna go into your saves folder. And what we're gonna need to do here is delete your world folder to generate a new one. Of course, it is important to know that if you delete this, your world will be gone. So if you're not entirely sure if you wanna delete it, it is always best to make a backup beforehand. We're gonna go ahead and click on this and then click on delete. Now that our world is deleted, we're gonna go back and restart our server one last time to generate a new world with the new size. And this is how easy it is to change the world size on your Terraria server. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.